Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com, and today I'm going to do a brief demonstration on how to add an instant download on your Etsy listing. So if you sell digital prints on your Etsy store, I'm going to show you how to download them and the limitations of downloading them. Now, what is a digital download? So a digital download is an electronic form of, like, let's say a document or a file that the buyer will get without a physical or tangible copy. So basically it will be an electronic copy that they're going to receive, and then once they download it to their computer, they could print from home, or they could go ahead and print it at any local printing shop like FedEx or Kinko's, or they could also do it online as well. There's a lot of websites that, like Shutterfly or Walgreens and even FedEx and Kinko, that you could upload your design, whatever you purchase, and download and print it out and then pick it up at the store or have them mail it to you. So depending on the convenience, the pricing, and where you want to do it at. So this is a quick tutorial. So make sure that if you like this type of video, or you need additional videos about Etsy or different things to do on Etsy that you are struggling or have a question about, leave me a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be adding additional videos for Etsy tutorials, how to make money on Etsy, how to have a thriving business, digital marketing, marketing your brand, and so on. So make sure you subscribe. So here we go. So once you have the file, I have it here saved in my document. So this is my listing. You get two sizes, an 8x10 and an 11x14. So once you have everything done, like your mock-up, you have your keywords, you already put the description, what comes included, you will go all the way to the bottom, and it's going to say upload files. One thing to keep in mind is that you could upload 5 files, or 5 documents, basically. There is a cap of 20 megabytes. So if that file is bigger than 20 megabytes, it will not let you upload. So most likely you will have to email that file to the customer. You could also do a zip file. And a zip file is when you combine everything into a folder, and then you right click and you compress the file into a zip file. The only issue I had with zip files is that they work, and it's great because you could do multiple, let's say the customer buys something from your store that has like 10 items. You could download 3 separate zip files and you're good to go on the same listing. The downside that I've noticed on digital prints is that a lot of customers don't know how to open a zip file. So my suggestion for that is to make sure that you include an instructional, letting them know how to open a zip file. And another thing that I've seen is that when they download the zip file, they open the zip file, whatever program they're using, a lot of people do photo viewer to view that file, it doesn't allow them to print it for some reason, because it was a zip file to begin with. So I have stepped away from using zip files, and I just do regular files. Now, if I do need to use a zip file because I'm downloading, let's say I have some listings that you get 5 different sizes and I want to just put it all in one, I make sure I put an instructional guide in there to help them out. So just depends. You'll just start noticing that you could play with it regular and zip file and kind of decide where you want to go. I just do regular files. It's a lot easier. So basically you just click on upload file. This is the 2 that I'm going to do. They're not that big. This one is an 8x10 and it's 4.9 megabytes. And this one is 11x14, which is 5.9 megabytes. So I'm good. I'm under the threshold of 20 megabytes. So all you do is open. You could do multiple files at one time as well. That's actually quicker if I would have selected both of them at the same time. And then I'm going to do the 8x10. And you give it a couple seconds. It's also going to let you know that you have you could add additional 3 additional files. So if you had additional sizes that you wanted to give away, I know that for some of my listings, I'll do like a 5x6, a 4x6, 8x10, 11x14. So you get all 4 sizes. you can actually do that if you like to. Once you download the digital file, you just publish, and that's it. So the person, whenever they want to download that file, all they will have to do is, one, purchase the listing. Once the payment clears, they could go on the purchases and reviews on their Etsy profile, and the files will be available. Say download here, and it will be available to download. And then all they do is click on download, download the file, and they can use it. So this is how you add an instant download on your Etsy listing. So thank you for watching this short video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know if you like these videos. Give me feedback on them. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for additional videos. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful night.